Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss a crucial topic, how to access drug rehab without insurance. It's essential to remember that seeking help is a brave step towards recovery, and there are options available, even if you don't have insurance. First, consider public programs. Many states offer publicly funded substance abuse treatment programs that are either free or based on a sliding scale according to your income. Check with your local government or health department to see what options are available in your area. Look into nonprofit organizations. Several nonprofits, such as the Salvation Army or Goodwill, provide addiction treatment services. They may offer financial assistance or even free treatment for those in need. Community health centers are another valuable resource. These centers often offer low-cost or no-cost addiction treatment services to individuals without insurance. They focus on providing care to underserved communities. Explore state-funded facilities. Some states have facilities specifically dedicated to providing addiction treatment to uninsured individuals. These programs may offer affordable or even free rehab services. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Many private rehab centers offer a sliding scale payment option based on your income. Reach out to these facilities and discuss your financial situation. Consider crowdfunding. You can use platforms like GoFundMe to raise money for your rehab expenses. Share your story and seek support from friends, family, and even your community. Check if your workplace has an employee assistance program, EAP. Some employers offer EAPs that provide access to addiction treatment services. It's confidential and your job may not be at risk. Remember, recovery is possible, even if you don't have insurance. Don't let financial barriers discourage you from seeking help. Reach out to local resources, nonprofits, and support networks. You deserve a chance at a healthier, happier life. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. And as always, stay strong and never give up on your journey to recovery.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.